Product configurators have been proven to save engineering time and accelerate sales growth of custom products. In fact, according to a study by industry analyst TechClarity, automating product customization with rule-based design is a best practice of top-performing manufacturers. So why isn't everyone automating product configurations? Setting up rules and making configurators accessible to sales reps and engineers often requires specialized programming knowledge, significant investments in development, and a lot of time. But with Autodesk Inventor, setting up and deploying a product configurator has never been easier. First, build the logic that drives the configurator. Inventor iLogic technology is specifically designed to take the complexity out of the programming, using parameters you've already defined in the model. Plus a huge library of code snippets, it's easy to define rules. Then create forms inside of Inventor that provide a more intuitive front end to the configurator. Just select which parameters, rules, and iProperties you want to be available for configuration. They're automatically added to your form, no programming required. Then group them together on the form or separate them into different tabs for better organization. Finally, add text and pictures to provide instructions or to describe the parameters. Use your configured products downstream to create drawings, perform simulations, or generate machining toolpaths. This accelerates the design to manufacturing process, enabling you to shorten the delivery time frame and get the products to customers faster. With Inventor, you get all the benefits of a product configurator without complex programming knowledge or high upfront investment.